Yo, what up, guys? So we have another good one. 2003 Civic LX. Look at the back over there. I'm ready working on the false floor because the factory flooring was already messed up from water damage. It's done. I got a lot of work ahead of me. So before I begin, this is what I have to work with. This was there. It's not. It's all warped. All right, so I went ahead and traced out the floorboard, the entire floorboard that I'm covering with a cardboard. Put some little flaps, taped everything, brought it in, made some measurements, figured, okay, I need more room over here. So, well, and then this back side can have the most amount of wood coverage, where this side I need to be able to access the spare tire. Went ahead and you're only using one side. I'm gonna go ahead and make that cut, grab that, flip it over, use it as a template, and do the other side. Got some functionality going on here, see? Look at that, huh? Too legit to quit.
When I'm danced in the beat, the niggas wanna take my shine.